Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Love. Today we are going to learn the 11th Arabic alphabet. The 11th Arabic alphabet is Za. Let's watch Za. Hi, my name is Za. 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 For your understanding, you can spell Za in English as Z-A-A. Za. Za, because it sounds like the hard sound of the English alphabet Z. Z for zoo. Za, za. How to pronounce za? Za, za, za. The words starting with za are zarafa, means giraffe, zait means oil, and zujaja means bottle. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye friends.